Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting what you want to move. Click a single element or Shift plus click multiple items to group them. Once selected, check the Layers panel to make sure no element is locked or hidden because locked items won't move. Make sure Snap to Grid is on if you need precise alignment. This reduces manual nudging and saves time. Also, consider grouping similar pieces early. It simplifies later adjustments and prevents accidental misplacement during the next steps. Now move elements with purpose. Drag them where they belong and hold Shift to constrain movement to a straight line if you need horizontal or vertical precision. Once roughly placed, use the arrow keys for fine adjustments. Each tap nudges by 1 pixel, and Shift plus arrow nudges by 10 pixels for bigger shifts. If you need exact placement, open Position and enter numeric X and Y coordinates. Once done, check spacing with guides and the ruler so everything reads balanced and intentional. Finish by grouping elements that belong together so they move as one unit, and lock them if you don't want accidental edits. If something goes wrong, use Undo immediately or Open Version History to revert to a previous state. This saves you from reconstructing a layout. If alignment looks off, make sure Snap to Grid is correctly set, verify layer stacking order in layers, and re-enter exact position values for problem items. That troubleshooting sequence restores order without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.